In today's video, we're going to talk about something that almost everyone struggles with, and that is belly fat. A big belly not only affects how we look, but it can also harm our health. So let's break down the best and most effective ways to lose belly fat naturally. The very first and most important thing is your diet. If you truly want to lose belly fat, you have to cut out sugar and sweet drinks. That means no sodas, packaged juices, or sugary bakery items. Replace them with more water throughout the day and add protein-rich foods like eggs, lentils, chicken, fish, and yogurt into your meals. Cut back on refined carbs like white bread and white rice, and instead go for whole wheat bread, oats, and lots of vegetables. And remember this tip, don't eat too much at once. Instead, eat small meals multiple times a day so your body digests food better. Now let's talk about exercise. Belly fat doesn't just go away with diet. You need to move your body. Do at least 30 minutes of walking or jogging every single day. On top of that, try some focused workouts like crunches, planks, and leg raises. If you can, cycling and swimming are amazing options because they burn a lot of calories and engage your whole body. Next are your daily habits. If you're not getting enough sleep, losing weight will be very difficult. So make sure you get 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Stress is another hidden cause of belly fat because it messes with your hormones. Try to keep your mind relaxed and avoid unnecessary stress. And the most important point of all, don't expect results overnight. Be consistent with your diet and workouts, stay patient, and you'll definitely see results over time. Finally, friends, if you're serious about losing belly fat, start following these tips from today. Stay consistent, stay positive, and you'll see the difference in your body and health very soon.